In 2022, Instacart was losing money on nearly every grocery order it delivered. Internally, executives stopped calling it a delivery company and quietly classified it as an advertising platform, 8 months before the S1 ever mentioned the word. The pivot started with a memo from CFO Nick Giovanni proposing that brands like PepsiCo and Kraft pay for sponsored placements inside the app, the same way Amazon monetized search. By the time Instacart filed to go public in September 2023, ad revenue had hit $740 million at roughly 80% margins, subsidizing the delivery losses entirely. New one drops every day, subscribe so you don't miss it. That ad business, not groceries, is what justified the $9.9 billion IPO valuation, though the roadshow buried it behind delivery metrics. Most retail investors bought a logistics company and accidentally owned a media network. Comment below, did you know this?